Okay, we gotta stay in Manila for the weekend.
Yeah, we can't go in the week because, bro, them tickets be sold out.
Yeah.
So it's better to go and then leave like Saturday.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And they out here fighting for crumbs, boy. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. You got that Zell. You got the Zell.
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate. Like every time we travel, we'll lose a day, man.
I know, man. So you gotta like come out with Asia, you gotta do a week minimum. Have to. Because it made no sense, yo. Like we can't go back to Thailand. Like we just gotta swing in Manila because it made no sense.
But you know what? This is like I'm not experienced, in terms of like flying like this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's hot and humid out here. Woo! Yeah, man. So humid out here. Or maybe it's that AC out here. So I think it's down there, the hotel. Baguio. Yeah, I gotta take my. I got. All right. I don't know how this shit works though.
says go down there, but I don't know.
Let me ask Luke. Hello. Where's the hotel shuttle bus?
Hotel bus over there.
And we know by the name of the hotel? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So you go here for the hotel. I ain't know Hong Kong could get this hot, man.
So much fish, so I'll-
Yo, but how you know like which one to take though?
Oh wait, is that a Regala?
Oh, alright. See? My Duke is spotted. My dude spotted.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you got the eyes, boy. That Regala. I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Hello.
Regala?
Yeah, Regala. Yeah.
Oh,
This okay?
okay, okay.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Excuse me. Look at the bus. The bus is spacious, y'all. And AC. AC'd up, man. I ain't never thought Hong Kong could get so hot.
Shit. Damn, boy. Yo, I'm changing the shorts, yo.
No,
Hot,
facts,
boy.
facts.
Woo.
Yeah. Look, listen, it's very humid in Hong Kong, man.
Damn, 90 degrees.
90? Look.
Yes.
89 degrees, y'all. 89 degrees. We gotta find some spot to hit up.
Yeah. We're gonna put our bags down. We're going to the city, just chill, walk around, get something to eat.
Sounds good. Sound good to me, man. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
He said good luck.
Good luck.
He said good luck. It's my bag back there. Alright, so we just reached the hotel here in Hong Kong, and you know, we're gonna try to check in. Thank you very much. That's the check-in desk. Nice. Got a little luxury feeling to it.